Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can close your account or how you can delete your GoCardless account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open GoCardless.com on any of the browser you have. If you can't find it, you can find it on the Google search bar. So go ahead and search for it. You will obviously find it. Go to GoCardless.com, log into your account, and you will see this type of interface. Now, there are two steps you can follow. First of all, go to settings and go to help center, or you can go to company info. So there are two different things over here. First of all, if you don't find the company settings, what you can do is go to this option over here called help center and then search for account. Just click enter, wait for a while, and then this page will load up. Now you can see closing your account right over here. Just go ahead and click on this article. As soon as you click on your article, you will find this page over here. What you need to do is click on company info settings. As soon as you click on it, you will be headed to this same page. So you can see that you can now follow this process. Go ahead and go to this company info. It will be headed to here. Scroll all the way down and you can see close account. Now what you need to do is click on request account closer. As soon as you click on it, a separate page will load up. What you need to do is select a reason why you are closing it. So you can see that there are a lot of options. You can select your option of why closing. Click on this tick box over here and click on close my account. So there you go. Your account closure request is being processed and you are logged out. If you don't use GoCardless account for the next 30 days, your account will permanently be closed. So it's quite easy and helpful. So you can see that you will be logged out of your account as well. And let's try to log into our account once again and let's see the procedure. Click on sign in. And there you go. You can see that your account has been permanently deleted now. If you want to open another account, you can go to the sign up option and open a new cardless account now. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.